Hi beautiful people, are you tired of hair breakage and slow growth? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today I'll be showing you how I make a powerful clove and ginger hair growth oil that will leave your hair saying thank you queen. So stick around because this recipe is too good to miss. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and join our family of hair lovers. Okay, let's dive in. Here are our main ingredients: cloves, ginger and olive oil. Cloves may be small but they are strong enough to fight dandruff and strengthen the scalp. Ginger is that spicy friend that keeps you moving. It increases blood flow to your scalp, helping your hair grow faster and stronger. I will start by washing and cutting my ginger into small pieces. Then add my cloves and olive oil. Olive oil is full of vitamins that keeps your hair soft and shiny. Now I will blend everything together until it's smooth. This way, the oil picks up all the goodness from the ginger and cloves right away. Don't worry, we are not making jollof stew. This is strictly for our hair. I will pour the blended mix into my pan and place it on a low heat. The goal is to let the water from the ginger dry out completely so the oil can last much longer without spoiling. Keep it on a gentle heat, we don't want to fry the oil. Just let it slowly infuse. Think of it like a slow cooking, but this one is for your crown. Let it cool down, then pour it in a clean dry jar. I will leave it to infuse more for a week. You can leave it to infuse as long as you want. This makes the oil to abstract more of the nutrients from the herbs. The longer it's infused, the more potent it becomes. So this is it after 1 week. Yeah, that's been infusing for a week. Like I said before, you can decide to leave it for as long as you want. It's not gonna spoil. It is more beneficial. But for the sake of this video, we are going to be straining it right away. It's 7 weeks already. Don't get me wrong. If you use it immediately after infusing it on a low heat, it still works perfectly. But if you want to get a more better result, allow it to infuse for at least 7 days or more. The longer the herb stays in the oil, the more potent the oil becomes. So let's go ahead and strain our oil. And here you have it, your very own clove and ginger hair growth oil, ready to work wonder. Now let me show you how I applied it. I'm currently carrying my long-term mini braid protective hairstyle, and this is already 8 weeks old. Firstly, I lightly spray some water on my hair to open up the cuticles and prepare it to drink up the oil. Now we apply the oil. massaging it directly into my scalp. I also rub some along the length of my braids to keep them shiny and moisturized. And of course, I give myself a little scalp massage. It feels so relaxing and it helps the blood flow, which encourages more growth. This way, my braids stay fresh, my scalp stay healthy, and my hair grow beautifully under the style. This oil reduces breakage, stops shading, and encourages faster growth. Apply it at least 3 times a week and always massage your scalp when applying. That little massage makes a big difference. And that is it, my queens and kings. A simple but super powerful clove and ginger hair growth oil you can make right in your kitchen. Trust me, your hair will thank you later. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow together. Now tell me in the comments, would you try this oil and what's your biggest hair challenge right now? I do love to hear from you. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it proudly. Bye.